Welcome back to Tap Tech, where we dive deep into the next big thing in tech, and today we've got a real showstopper. Imagine soaring above the world in full panoramic glory. That's what the upcoming DJI Avata 360 promises. An immersive 360-degree drone experience that could turn the way we capture aerial footage entirely on its head. Stay with me through the end, because we're peeling back every rumor, every leak, and what this means for creators in the US and other premium markets. Right off the bat, why is this drone generating so much buzz? Leaks suggest the Avata 360 will combine FPV, first-person view flight agility, with true 360-degree capture. According to reports, the device could be sub-250 g in weight, meaning less regulatory hassle in many regions. That alone is massive if you're in the US or EU and filming high-end content. Now let's talk camera specs. The Avata 360 is rumored to borrow sensor tech from the Osmo 360, dual 1.1-inch CMOS sensors for full spherical capture. Leaked specs hint at 8K 360 video, professional-grade imaging with 10-bit D-Log M color profile for grading, and 120 MP panoramic stills. Essentially, you're not just flying a drone, you're capturing a full immersive world. For creators operating in premium countries, this means new possibilities. Imagine flying over epic landscapes, capturing everything around you, then picking your framing in post-production, or delivering immersive experiences for VR or YouTube's 360-degree video format. That hook alone will keep viewers glued. On flight performance, rumor has it the Avata 360 may use DJI's Ocusync 4 or an improved variant, O4 Plus, for low latency. Long-range transmission, critical for US pilots and professional setups. Obstacle sensing looks advanced too. Multiple sensors, including LiDAR in the front, sides, and perhaps a full suite of redundant systems. That means safer flights in complex environments, a big deal when filming in premium markets where liability, insurance, and safety certification matter. Another key point, the potential sub-250 g weight classification, Class C0 in certain jurisdictions, means fewer registration burdens in the US and many other countries. If true, you get high-end footage without the bureaucracy. For a creator in the US or Europe, that's a massive advantage. Now let's discuss release timing and pricing because that's what really matters for buying decisions. Leaks suggest a launch before the end of the year, possibly targeting the holiday season. Pricing is speculative. One rumor puts the Chinese market version around CNY 5,000, $700 for the drone only. But if this launches in the US, expect premium pricing, perhaps $200 or more, since it will be positioned for creators in top markets. So what about who this drone is best for? If you're a high-end YouTuber, filmmaker, VR creator, travel content producer, or an agency working premium clients, this could be a game changer. The immersive 360 footage alone gives you an edge. And if you fly in the US with rules around drones and commercial use, the advanced obstacle sensing and transmission tech matter. However, there are caveats. These are leaks and rumors, nothing official yet from DJI. Specs may change. And premium markets demand support, service, spare parts, firmware updates, regulatory compliance. If DJI launches in the US, make sure the version you buy is US compliant with FCC transmission standards and licensing. Now let's look at how the Avata 360 stacks up conceptually against what came before. The Avata 2 delivered FPV thrills, agile flight, good image quality, but fixed field of view. It didn't capture fully immersive 360 footage. By contrast, this new model adds that immersive layer. For premium content creators, capturing the entire scene means you don't pick a framing when filming. You pick it in post. That freedom is gold. Let's walk through the features you should expect and what to verify when it launches. Cameras and image quality. Dual 1.1 sensors. 8K 360 video, 10-bit color. Verify actual codec, sensor performance, frame rates, HDR capability. Flight and transmission. Low latency video feed, robust link, Ocusync or equivalent. Long range with US-Canada certification, obstacle sensing and safety. Multiple sensors. LiDAR, redundancy, especially for commercial use in premium markets, weight and portability. Sub-250 GRE would be ideal for regulatory ease. Post-production workflow, 360. Video editing is more complex. Verify ease of use, DJI app or third-party support, service and availability in your market. If you're in the US or Europe, check DJI offers full warranty and spare parts. Price and bundle, premium market users may want fly more kits, additional batteries, spare props. Factor budget accordingly. Now let's talk about the experience and what this drone opens up for you creatively. With 360 capture, you could fly through a cityscape, twist the footage later to choose your view. You could shoot action sports, follow a jet ski, capture every angle, and then pick the cinematic shot after the fact. For travel, you could film a remote island resort, and viewers can explore the scene in 360-degree, not just watch a flat camera view. For VR, this could feed immersive content directly, something that premium audiences increasingly seek. Also consider storytelling hooks. With an Avata 360, you're offering something new. When you tell your audience in the US or Europe that you filmed everything around you, now it's their turn to explore the world, you engage deeper. Viewers stay longer because they can spin around, choose their angle, feel immersed. And in competitive content markets, that differentiation matters. If you're building a channel or working with clients in premium markets, think about bridging the gap now. Understand 360 workflows. Plan for storytelling that uses full environment capture, not just the drone shot. And when the Avata 360 drops, be ready to showcase 360 flights as a unique offering. Finally, one more time. This is upcoming. DJI has not yet released confirmed official specs or launch date, so while all signs point to late 2025, until the announcement happens, treat it as expected, not guaranteed. But if the rumors hold, for premium market creators in the US, UK, Europe, Australia, and elsewhere, this could be one of the most exciting drones in years. Thanks for staying till the end. If you're as excited as I am about the Avata 360, hit that like button and subscribe to TapTech so you don't miss the official launch breakdown, full review, and real-world flight tests. And comment below, what would you shoot with a 360-degree drone? Whether it's travel, action sports, real estate, or something wild, let me know. Until next time, fly safe, shoot smart, and I'll catch you in the next video on TapTech.